Hey everybody, it's Mike the Wolf Grant down here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson, another Dyno Certified pre-owned motorcycle. This is a 2014 Ultra Classic in Birch White and Midnight Blue. This bike was actually owned by our previous district manager, Mike. So what that means for you is it was always serviced by a Harley-Davidson professional. All of our district managers always go to specific Harley-Davidson dealerships to get them worked on. So it's always been touched by Harley-Davidson professionals. For the dyno certification, we did a 35K service to it, and we also did the dyno run. So we checked them electrically and mechanically to make sure that they are good to go. All in all, about $532. It has a couple extras on it. It does have the tallest windshield. It has the extensions for your blinkers, left and right. And on the back, you have the LED lights that follow the trim on your saddlebag. Just extra lights. They do work as both your running lights and your blinkers and your brake lights. It is a 2014, so you have all your Project Rushmore enhancements like your split stream vent, your high output 103, extra space in the back for your passenger, extra inch of space on both sides, and extra inch of space in the back. You have your one-touch saddlebags, and you have your one-touch touring pack. If you have any other questions, give us a shout, 802-476-6104. Thanks.